Ask you, Cristiano Ronaldo, CR7, Ronaldo 9, the Brazilian Ronaldo, and Thierry Henry. Among these three players, if you start only one, you fit bench one, and you fit sell one. Who you go start, who you go bench, and who you go sell?
Ronaldo. Henry, the kind of loan I go loan Henry, I not say go play match again. Cristiano Ronaldo normally.
You go start Cristiano Ronaldo.
Every day, even if I dey dream, I go pick am.
Then who
Well,
you bench?
I'll bench De Lima.
Ronaldo de Lima.
De Lima phenomenal, I'll bench am. The Thierry Henry, the kind of loan I go loan am, I not say go like play ball again. They use sugar, they compare salt. Salt good, but it depends on the food that you want to cook. If you want drink tea, na sugar you go use.
So, Oga Nelson, I go ask you about three players: Ronaldo de Lima, the Brazilian Ronaldo, Thierry Henry, and Cristiano Ronaldo, CR7. Among these three players, you fit only start one, you fit bench one, and you fit sell one. So now, who you go start, who you go bench, and who you go sell?
Now, so strong, oh. Ronaldo dilemma, Cristiano Ronaldo, Thierry Henry. For which position? 9?
As a striker.
As a striker, oh Bobby. As a striker, where they play with team. I dey reason, I dey try to see their performance. As a striker, no worry, dilemma 9 Ronaldo dilemma for the 9. Ronaldo go dey bench. Henry good, but Henry not match those two players. They're not getting their own judge for those ones. For the 9, if you say for team, I feel look and say Henry, Cristiano Ronaldo, they get assist well. But if you say as a striker, na dilemma. At his peak, none of them. Then Cristiano Ronaldo go dey bench. Henry will sell him.
So, Oga will say, I go ask you about three players: Cristiano Ronaldo, CR7, Ronaldo 9, Ronaldo de Lima, and Thierry Henry. Among these three strikers, who you go bench, who you go sell, and who you go start?
To be honest with you, I watch the three of them, but I watch De Lima when they resign. You understand? But I watch Thierry Henry. My first team of my life na Arsenal. I no go lie you, and I'm called Thierry Henry. I support Arsenal. Now when Arsenal play Chelsea, I think I got 2005, 2006. Watch on Thierry score, one win 2-1. Arsenal win 1-0, come back, come win. And then I think Nuno Chelsea. I don't think I can follow Chelsea. So left for me, I go start. Cause wetin Ronaldo don do. See Ronaldo, I go start see Ronaldo. I go bench Thierry Henry. Then I go sell De Lima. Because I not too watch De Lima ball. But wetin I don observe for phone, if you say like I did this kind of era, you no get go pass am. But you say based on wetin I watch with my eye, you know they tell you. So I say you go.
Thierry Henry, Ronaldo 9, Ronaldo de Lima, the Brazilian Ronaldo, and Cristiano Ronaldo. You fit start only one, you fit bench one, and you fit sell one. Who you go start, who you go bench, and who you go sell?
For Cristiano Ronaldo, if Ronaldo dey my team, big Ronaldo and Thierry Henry, of course, I will start Cristiano Ronaldo for the top 9 because he get eye of goals. Now player be say if he never score, he dey pepper as he never score goal. Now player be say he like to score, he like winning, he don't like losing. For Thierry Henry, I will keep him on the bench. I feel that they substitute Cristiano Ronaldo for second half. For Delima Ronaldo, I can decide to sell him because if the three of them they feel now, for you to pick your choice, then will choose to play the top 9. It will lose somehow. Then Cristiano Ronaldo is very smart. He's a good scorer. I will start Cristiano Ronaldo by a team. I will bench Henry, then I will sell Delima Ronaldo.
So, Oga Victor, I go ask you: CR7, Cristiano Ronaldo, Ronaldo 9, Ronaldo de Lima, and Thierry Henry. Among these three strikers, you fit start one, you fit bench one, and you fit sell one. Now who you go start, now who you go bench, and now who you go sell?
This question, it did dicey sharp, but you know, all of them play for different time. during their youthful age.
For their
they-
prime, make we assume say all of them dey their best form now.
okay, for their best form
Their
now.
prime.
Well, Arrow de Lima for Brazil, I go start am. Thierry Henry, I go put am for sales. While Cristiano Ronaldo fit just dey bench because for as far three of them is concerned, Arrow he go spare my attack. Cristiano Ronaldo go come for bench. While Thierry Henry, I fit just put am for market. Na so I see the three. But three of them, they be exceptional player during time of their regime. They be exceptional player, and I give kudos to three.
So, Oga Shozi, I will ask you about three players. Thierry Henry, Cristiano Ronaldo, and Ronaldo de Lima, the Brazilian Ronaldo, Ronaldo 9. Among these three players, you fit start one, you fit bench one, and you fit sell one. Now, who you go start, who you go bench, and who you go sell?
Well, me, I go start Thierry Henry. I go bench Ronaldo. I go bench Cristiano Ronaldo 7. Then I go carry Oga de Lima go Chelsea. Chelsea need am. They get me so. And the reason why me I make that prediction na because say Thierry get speed, he get pace, he get jump. You understand? And that guy not be just only player. That guy na team player. We see him for France national team. And we also see him for Arsenal. We see him for Barca. You dey get me so. That guy, even when he dey play ball, when he never reach all this 2020 something and the rest, you dey see the kind of football wey he dey play. He dey work for the ball. I dey like players wey dey work for the ball. Then secondly, why I go bench Cristiano Ronaldo, I believe say Ronaldo get everything, so I no go fit sell am. Ronaldo get jump, he get everything. Even at his age, he dey play ball, dey score the goals. You understand? Then De Lima, sorry, great legend. The reason why me go sell you, I get that strong feeling say una time for Madrid, Barca, Inter, Brazil, the way football take be that time, e dey different now. Now, they no dey come look anybody face. You dey get me? So if you play anyhow, you see anyhow. So this Ronaldo and Henry, they be agility player. They go fit play from now to 40, 50 years. That duration, I mean, we just put two of them.
Yeah, so Oga Stanley, I want to ask you about three players now. You go fit start only one, bench one, and sell one. Thierry Henry, Ronaldo 9, which is Brazilian Ronaldo, Ronaldo de Lima, and Cristiano Ronaldo, CR7. Now, who you go start? Now, who you go bench? And who you go sell?
I go start CR7, then I go bench Thierry Henry, I go sell De Lima Ronaldo. Because the attacking prowess of these two people I just talked about, like Thierry Henry is, I think, the highest goal scorer in Arsenal history right now. And during his time for EPL for Arsenal, he bang goals. He can bang from the left, from the right. But De Lima Ronaldo, that kind of 0.9 player, would you say, on the race, for front. But Henry, he dey score from left, he dey score from right. So the reason why, that's why I say I go bench Thierry Henry. Therefore, what's it called? See Ronaldo, that one a phenomenal player on his own. That guy can score from anywhere and he's motivational from your side. So that's my thing.
So, Oga Idafi, I want to ask you about three legendary strikers. Even one of them said that they wouldn't consider him as one of the greatest player ever. So I want to ask you about these three players. Thierry Henry, Ronaldo de Lima, Ronaldo, the Brazilian Ronaldo, Ronaldo 9, Cristiano Ronaldo, CR7. Among these three players, now who you go start, who you go bench, and who you go sell?
Make I look in the right side. You say 9, Abi, na winger. Once you say
them as a striker.
as a striker, okay. Once you say as a striker, I'll take Ronaldo, the main Ronaldo.
Ronaldo 9.
Yes, na him I go start. Then I go bench Thierry Henry. Ah, boy, you hard to. The three hard. Because when you look Cristiano Ronaldo, no. I go start De Lima, then I go bench Cristiano Ronaldo. At the same time, I go set Thierry Henry. I be Arsenal fan, but we check their statistics. judge your statistic. No, na so e be. Na my statistic be that.
All right, now, guy, thank you.